Vancouver's controversial cetacean ban was back in court today. The Vancouver Aquarium is fighting to have the Park Board decision overturned. And as Brenna Rose reports, the hearing kicked off today with a passionate display by animal activists.
It's been 4.5 months since the Park Board voted to ban whales and dolphins from the Vancouver Aquarium, but it's not backing down without a fight. Today was the first day of the aquarium's challenge in court, and this is what the CEO showed up to. Cardboard tombstones with the names of whales that have died in captivity lined the streets outside the courthouse. Included were the names Aurora and Keela. The loss of those beluga whales is really what ignited this debate, and it led to the Park Board approving a bylaw amendment to ban whales and dolphins from the Vancouver Aquarium, something protesters here today are supportive of.
We're hopeful that the court will do what I think is obvious and just confirm that the Park Board has the authority to enact bylaws in its own jurisdiction.
The aquarium's court challenge claims that, among other things, the Park Board doesn't have the legal power to enact a ban, and the language in the amendment is too vague. The two have a lease agreement until 2029. The court heard that the aquarium has already spent $45 million on a previously approved $100 million expansion project, which included a cetacean display. Two animal rights groups, Zoocheck and Animal Justice, have been granted intervener status. The two groups say they plan to focus on the aquarium's argument that the board ban infringes on the charter right to free expression.
It's quite something to say that we should be allowed to keep them in captivity. It's another thing to say that not only should we be allowed, but we actually have a constitutional right to do so.
The Vancouver Park Board isn't commenting while this matter is before the courts. The procedure is expected to last 4 days. Brenna Rose, CBC News, Vancouver.